Here are 12 ways you can leverage Demo 360 and Demo 360 Plus without adding to your investment. Did you know that 80% of the sales process happens before your team ever joins the conversation? That means your website isn't just a destination, it's actually your digital sales force. You need interactive solutions that stand out and let buyers explore and engage and compare on their terms. The market is really crowded, so delivering something memorable, other than just another white paper, may just make the difference. Webinars don't have to be one way. Demo your solutions live with your prospects, then drop a link and let your audience explore in real time. Let them experience your product, not just watch you explain what it can do. By turning passive attendees into active participants, creates real interest. Virtual meetings, while convenient, can be really tough. Attention tends to drop pretty fast. And with travel halts and budget freezes, they're often your only shot. But change the game and keep your attendees engaged. Let sellers share interactive product portfolios and give customers a real way to explore, digitally. Let your prospects get their hands on your product, even if you're not in person. Trade shows are expensive. Shipping, drayage, power, setup, it adds up pretty fast. With interactive product demos, you can bring your entire portfolio, no crates or customs required. With one screen and all of your products, every booth staffer can become a value expert, delivering consistent messages every time. In briefing centers and customer experience centers, every minute with your customer matters. But your SMEs are in high demand and not always available. Give your customers and prospects the opportunity to explore and engage on their terms within your center, exploring what's relevant to them, and you'll be able to unlock deeper conversations and upsell and cross-sell opportunities. Don't show up with a linear deck. Give your customers the freedom to explore what matters most to them. In-person time is precious. Let buyers dive deep into your solution, uncover what's relevant, and then guide the conversation. No one at all gets excited about flipping slides in a presentation, but they do get excited when they have the opportunity to discover real value on their terms. You're running campaigns every week, email, social, ads, webinars, but what is different about them from your competitors? If you can bring compelling interactive content to your buyers and deliver a consistent, clear, engaging message, that can lead to great conversations and build trust. If you're looking to boost awareness on social, give your audience something they can click, explore, and remember. Now, it's not just a post, it becomes self-guided and transfers knowledge. Let prospects explore your product on their terms and create real CTAs with impact. Sales enablement platforms like HighSpot, Seismic, Showpad are great ways to get your content out to a wide audience. But what is the content? What's different about it? Give your team access to highly dynamic and personalized interactive tools that not only guide the customer, but guide them in the right message and in the right direction with the right interaction. AR isn't just a gimmick. It's powerful when used with purpose. Let your customers see your product in their space, walk around it, test it, and feel how it fits into their world. Because when they can experience the value, not just imagine it, they build an emotional connection that drives trust, confidence, and ultimately action. Don't waste your follow-ups. Videos and PDFs are highly passive tools. Most users never finish a video, meaning they may not see what you want them to see. PDFs, well, they have their purpose, but they have incredibly low click-through rates. If you bring customers back into your world, then let them click and explore and re-engage with what you have to offer and allow them to share it with others in the decision-making process, then there's real possibility for action. You know what sticks? A good story. Not features, not specs. A story. One that shows how you solve your customer's problem. Because when buyers connect the dots for themselves, it's not just a pitch, it's trust. So integrate your interactive product demo into a bigger corporate value story. Show them the why. That's how you win.